Wanted to do a quick review on the Wahl Power Pro Lithium-Ion Cordless Dog Grooming Kit. Let me show you what comes in there. Here is the actual groomer. You see there it is cordless. There's my charger. It comes with different guards for different lengths. It comes with oil and it also comes with the scissors. Now, so here's what I just cut off of our doodle. So let me just talk to you a little bit about these, because this is not the first pair of trimmers I've had, and these are significantly improved over the previous pair I had. But I think there are some things you want to know. Now, I found when I was using them that if there was straight hair on a dog, like thinner straight hair, I'm thinking of like a Yorkie or something like that, then the thin straight hair, it cuts super easy. On our doodle, which does not get groomed or even brushed very often, the hair gets super thick and even matted up sometimes. And so in those situations, it is far more challenging to cut it. But these were far superior than the previous clippers I have tried. So I just kind of want to set the expectations. I thought they did great considering the situations. There were some areas where the hair was so thick that I had to use this. But had to use the scissors, but I think it was a situation where the dog's hair was not as thick or matted or was cut more frequently or brushed, then it makes a significant difference. So just understand that. Now, they definitely cut better without a guard. You know, if you lower down all the way to the shortest setting, it was able to cut through some really thick stuff, where with a guard, you know, it doesn't cut nearly as well. Again, in an extreme circumstance with very thick, curly doodle hair, which I think is one of the biggest challenges of cutting it. So in that situation, you end up basically having to cut it really short and start over. So just understand that. But I am happy with these. I'm happy with the battery life. They're very lightweight, actually just slightly smaller than I expected, but lightweight, good power. I do think, again, if you're doing super thick hair, another tip that I would offer is I think the blades do get dull faster on the thick hair. And I would recommend, if you change out the blades, I would recommend buying a replacement blade kit that is the exact Wahl brand kit and not a different brand. I bought a different brand, they did not fit. So I would try to get the exact replacement blade if you decide just to replace the blades. Overall, I've used these 2 times where I was happy with them, but again, if it's super thick, curly, matted hair that hasn't been touched in months, then, you know, it is going to be a challenge to just expect it to just buzz through it. So I hope that gives you a realistic expectation on a quality trimmer, but not a miracle working trimmer. Hope this video has been helpful.